Okay, part 2, I guess. So let's see, where was I? Okay, if my memory serves me right. I'm missing a piece again. Don't tell me a piece. Did a piece fall? Because I need 2 of these. Oh, no, I don't know, man. I know what I'm doing, okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. So I got this piece done. Trying to remember now. So this goes here. That goes. Hoping my memory serves me right. Yep. And stickers. Last 2 stickers today. Garchomp is almost done, you guys. Thank God. It's taking a hot minute. Just a little part of his arm. Okay, his arms are done. Finn's arms, whatever you want to call it, done. There we go. So it looks like I just have to do the tail and I'm done. Cool. I believe so, yeah. Just these 2 pieces and we're done. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm not good at putting things together, am I? Ta-da! Then, ta-da! Well, that is not. I put that on completely wrong, I believe. Oh, I think it's supposed to go up. Yeah. There we go. So we can stand up. And look who is finally complete. It will go right on my desk. There's a close-up of my boy. And then here's... Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.